You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Spanish pronunciation. Television series. In Spanish, the pronunciation is as La Reina del Sur. La Reina, meaning the Queen, del Sur, from the south. La Reina del Sur. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say it as La Reina del Sur. La Reina del Sur. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.